If 2025 were a graph, it would look like this. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the income from my third year, selling on Teachers Pay Teachers, the ups, the downs, the whys, the hows. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Phoenix and I'm the Tattooed Piano Teacher. To summarize my TPT journey so far as a seller in 30 seconds. In 2023, I started my store in April and saw it grow from $3 income in the first month to 3 figures per month. In 2024, I grew to a fairly consistent $500 a month, and in 2025, I hit 4 figures early in the year and then kind of plummeted. I'm going to jump right into the numbers, but be sure to stick around to the end. I'm going to explain why things went the way they did and answer any questions that you might have in your brain. So here are the numbers for you, starting with January 2025. My income on Teachers Pay Teachers was $560. Compare that to last year's $271. In February, I made $615 compared to last year's $374. In March of 2025, I had my biggest month ever. I had my first and only so far 4-figure month. I made $1,235. In 2024, March gave me $354. And then after that, things cooled down a bit. In April, which is historically my lowest month, I made $300 compared to last year's $128. In May, $620. Last year was $226. In June, I made $630 compared to last year's $288. In July, I made $290, which was my lowest month of the year. Last year, I made $334. In August, I made $575 compared to last year's $467. September, $590 compared to last year's $381. Then in October, I made $680, which is less than last year's $699. In November, I made $640, which is fairly close to last year's $576. And in December, I made $855, which is great, but actually lower than last year's $994. So a couple of my 2025 months were lower than my 2024 months, but did I make more money overall? Yes, I did. My total for 2025 is $7,600 compared to last year's $5,092. So let me briefly answer some of the questions that you might have at this point, like what happened in March, which was my highest month ever, my only 4-figure month on TPT. In March, I made $1,235. What happened in March was that I sold an all-store bundle. An all-store bundle is about $500, and so that raised the income quite a bit for that month. If you'd like to hear more about that experience, I do have a video that I made about the first half of 2025, and I will link that down below. And then what happened in April? Well, as I mentioned, April is historically my lowest month, but April of this past year also was the month that I opened my new digital store. My new digital store is my own website that I own, where I sell all of the same things that I sell on Teachers Pay Teachers. So starting in April, I was still making money on Teachers Pay Teachers, but my income was shared with my new website. And so that affected my Teachers Pay Teachers numbers. So am I happy with my overall growth on Teachers Pay Teachers in 2025? Yes, I am. I am happy with it. My Etsy store also grew quite a bit in 2025, and then my new digital store took off more than I had expected it to. So all in all, when I group the three together, since they sell the same products for the most part, I'm very pleased with how things went in 2025. And another question I always get is how many products were in your store? So at the start of 2025, I had a little over 200 products. By mid 2025, I had about 250. And then by the end of 2025, I had about 300 products in my store, just to give you an idea. Now, if you're curious to see my journey on Etsy, I will also be posting a 2025 Etsy income report. And then I'll also do a specific video about my new store and comparing it to TPT and Etsy. So if you have been considering maybe going off on your own as a TPT seller, adding a website of your own, then check out that video once it goes live. I will link that down below so you can see a comparison, the pros and cons, and how my brand new digital store that I own did in 2025, its first year in existence. Now, before I let you go, I also want to let you know that I am splitting off this channel. So you will see a link down below to my new YouTube channel called TPT Seller Tips. Make sure you're subscribed to that because in not too long, you will not see TPT content on this channel anymore. You will see it over there on the new channel. So hop over there and subscribe. And finally, I'm hosting a Teachers Pay Teachers workshop. Click the link down below if you are interested in, as a TPT seller, making your freebies bring in more sales. That workshop is called Freebie to Fortune, and it's all about how I have leveraged freebies in a very strategic way to bring in more long-term sales for my Teachers Pay Teachers store. So I can't wait to keep you updated in 2026 and see how things go, and hopefully see you on the new channel very soon. Thanks for watching.